a good one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
16. I was just using that Yamatanuki here, as you can see, with Smallies on a Yak here finesse jig. Beautiful fish. Get her back. $15, $16. Oh yeah. So this is on the other rig. This is a fat fish. Shorty but fatty. Same bait, Yamatanuki. But he ripped it off. I used my swim bait hook. 1/0 3/16 ounce weighted hook. You can buy these on smalliesontheyacht.com. So I'm trying different rigs with this bait to see which one's working best. They've all worked so far, so I don't know. This one has a lot less snags. The finesse has a lot less snags than a regular Ned rig, but they're all working. So again, we're talking about tail outs of holes. And that's what I'm targeting today and every day here in the summer. They come up in these tailouts and they feed. Water's faster, more oxygen. And like I was saying before, depth means nothing. A little bit before that video was on the Yak a couple weeks ago. Now this one's on the Allegheny. I just wanted to show you that both rivers produce in tailouts. Doesn't matter. Anywhere there's smallmouth in the summer, these tailouts can hold them. Nice one. Oh yeah. Shorty. Fat he is. Beautiful fish. Look at that bad boy. Allegheny fat boy. Look at that thing. Giant fish.
That's a beaut.
Oh yeah. A decent one. A good one. Real nice. 16.
16? Oh, that's fine. Yes.
Big one. Big one. Not a giant. Yamatanuki. Those tailouts, they will produce. I gotta chase them down the damn river. Holy shit. I mean, it's at least an 18. Be taking drag like that. Oh! I doubt it. It's big though. At least 18, 19. Might go 20. Might go 20. Oh yeah, that's a 20 incher. That's bigger than 20. It might be bigger than 20. Wow. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. That's a beaut. That is giant. Look at that thing.
That's beautiful.
How big do you think that is? 20.
20. That's a beautiful fish. At least.
Possible.
Hey, nice one.
16. Pretty.